G'day folks, Byron Foss here from the Drake Group. Today I'm standing at the front of Dalzell Bagley Engineering, or DBE for short, part of the Drake Group. We service the mining, civil and construction, agricultural industries, and I guess I wanted to showcase to you some of our capabilities. As you'll see, we're a one-stop shop. We do everything engineering, machining, welding, fab, assembly, disassembly for you. It's a big show with 40 employees running over 2 shifts. The benefit to you for 2 shifts is you get your emergency parts back quicker. So I'll throw some PPE on and let's go for a walk around and I'll show you what we can do. So in this section here we have our CNC lathes. I guess with our lathes we make a lot of pins and bushes for excavators, dozers, attachments, that sort of thing. And then a lot of things require multiple processes. Starts with our lathes, goes on to milling. So let's go and have a look at our milling machines now. So this is where our milling machines are. Our milling machines are used for cutting keyways into shafts, drilling and tapping, boring, levelling surfaces, that sort of thing. But now we'll go off and have a look at the big stuff. So I talk about big stuff, and this is where our big stuff belongs. We've got our 4-metre CNC lathe here, we've got our horizontal borer over there, and our vertical borer, which I'll show you working in a second. We're experts in reclaiming parts, so instead of buying new, talk to us to see if we can rebuild that part and save you some dollars. Vertical borer here is machining out a cone head from a cone crusher. We had to build it up and now we're just machining it back to size. Our vertical borer can take equipment up to about 2.5 metres in diameter, so it's a very handy machine. We don't just do machining, lathe work and CNC stuff here at Dalzell Bagley Engineering. We also do welding, so we can offer you the full package. We've got some aluminium safety guards that we've just made up here for Benedex. Over here for Emerson, we're welding together some valve bodies. So we do everything. Stainless welding, aluminium welding, steel welding, all part of the package here at Dalzell Bagley Engineering. Our robot welder is so useful for that repetitive, that high volume work. So yeah, it's great to have a robot welder here as well. So this is our assembly section. Bring your whole component in, we pull it all apart, we work out what needs doing to it. Like this one here, we've made new pins, new bushes, we put it all back together and give it back to you complete, ready to go. Thanks for joining me on that walk around of Dalzell Bagley Engineering, part of the Drake Group. As you can see, we're capable of lots and lots of things here. Please give the team a ring, have a chat about what you need. Great bunch of people. Give it a go. Thanks.